Thing rolling, guys. Trying to see if I'm loaded in or not. Let's see what's going on. I gotta fix the title. This is after the London session, guys. Let me just make sure we live before I get going here. Let me just make sure. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good morning, United States. Good afternoon, Europe. Good evening, Japan. And good night, Australia. It's a beautiful time, people. We got to wake up today. Well, this morning. We still breathing. Some of y'all been up all day across the world. The day's breaking down for some of y'all. And what's up, Europe? See what's going on with the NASDAQ, Today right now we about to get ready to watch a little something and kick it. We're gonna look at NASDAQ. We're gonna look at the Great Britain pound. We're gonna look at the euro, because actually the Europeans got something going on over there. Apparently we got some type of rebound going on. I know it had to happen because of all the strength that we were having, but we go to Euro USD. See how far down is. Let me get off this weekly chart. First thing first, let's check out Euro USD, man. We felt all kind of pressure. We just completely rejected that, and we ranged and ranged and ranged. Then ranging mean pretty much the price is undecided. Didn't know which way it wanted to go, but we see it ain't gonna go pass down here though. Ding dong. You see it ain't going down there. And look, for all those who say, "Oh, that Forex fake, that Bitcoin, that stuff fake," man, listen. We gonna trade together. We gonna rock this out. Look at this range fest. And what time is it? Tokyo and they getting ready to shut down, so the session's getting ready to be dead. But look at the power on the 5-minute chart. That was the move. It was had to get from down there. Had to get back above $1. Cause that was looking crazy. That hadn't been down. It hadn't been down there for a while. So we got to paint this picture a little bit. Paint this up. As far as me buying the euro, I'm not buying the euro. Nope. Let's look at the Great Britain pound. Try to be quick here, because it don't matter. We can take our time. It's no biggie. GA, not interested. I'm looking for GJ. Actually should have had that up there for you guys already, but yeah, how y'all doing tonight? Let me check and see who all in here. If you messaging me on Facebook, I can't see it, and you might have to send me a DM. Oil has dropped a little bit, Yeah, I'm not sure what's the deal with oil. Where's GBP JPY? Oh, it's saying I already got it on my watch list, guys. Oh, there it is in my face. Why ain't nobody tell me? Pop that chart window out. Okay, let's go. It looked like blase, I know, because I like to change my candles up. Let me zoom this in here. We don't want to confuse anybody. Look at the pound. Pound got a little bit of traction here. Let's see. I'm gonna change the color for us because I'm not a fan of this. I can comprehend it, but I want to make sure you guys can comprehend it. Bar down. Well, bull candle. The bull candle is gonna be green. The bear candle is gonna be red. And that's how we gonna do it. Boom. Okay. Looking at the 5-minute chart. Let me get out of this crap and zoom on out. Well, I'm zoomed out too far. I'm gonna go to the hourly. Dip buys came in and swoop, created a bottom. Now, do we have potential to continue going up? Look at all that rejection. I mean, if you want to play the game, probably wait until we get some volume during the New York session around 8 o'clock Eastern time. We'll see if we can jump past that or we're gonna bounce back down. The yen, like I said, the pound, like I was saying yesterday, those guys were, I mean, the whole Europe, they worried about what's gonna happen this winter. I mean, they're concerned about oil for this winter, and actually oil is down at the moment, so everybody's happy, but we're gonna have to see how this turmoil affects us. Looking at the pound versus the yen on the hourly chart. Me personally, I hadn't taken any trades today. Well, you know, during this session, I just watched because it didn't go the way that I had anticipated. I actually wanted to take a buy on the USD. In the end, I trying to ride that pony. Look what happened. I didn't even get involved. Somebody knows how to watch. One of the biggest things about trading, you got to be able to learn how to watch. You don't have to act just because you're looking at charts. I don't have to take a trade now just because I'm on live. No, I'm gonna just watch it. This 4-hour Momo Jumbo. It did its thing. It shot up a minute ago, but it's just waiting on a reason for the USD to become strong again. Because the yen is just the yen. This is still my boo though. This is still my bay. This is my bay chart. Yep. Where we at? May look at Bitcoin. Yeah, no need to look at Bitcoin. Let's just look at the NASDAQ. Green day. Investors may be happy today. Or you may see another wick. You talking about holding all day. You talking about jumping in right now. You got a dog right now. It's limbo mode. I wouldn't trade this session. I wouldn't trade this crap, man. Let's wait and see. We gonna wait and see what's going on. As far as sentiment, it's kind of risk on. The pound. Let's just check out the sentiment. Let's see what the Aussie's doing versus the yen. See if the Aussie's picking on the yen. What the oh, my bad. I gotta watch my language here. Yeah, so the euro is on the day. The euro is up 43 pips on the USD. USD down 40 pips on the Japanese yen. And look, the pound is only up 16 pips against the yen today. It ain't all, the euro exploded, but the euro is really a safe haven currency, so no risk on admirations for me. Let me check out the odds. Yeah, the Aussie versus the yen, very slow day, jackknife day. We got 38 pips on the day as we speak. Like my favorites, I don't see any big movement. We pretty much reacting off yesterday's move and Friday's move. I feel like this is a jackknife. This is a setup though for some guys here. Get off NASDAQ. I'm gonna have to just go to the pound and yen. Let me go to this pound yen right quick. Yeah, they talking about a downturn, downturn with housing will worsen. I don't know what they mean by that, because when I hear housing crisis, I'm hearing cheap houses. I'm hearing houses for the low. Come get it. I'm hearing Jim Walton, whatever those guys, done bought too many houses, so they selling them for less profit. Maybe they lose out on a yacht or something. But I get to have a nice house. Everybody save up, cause a housing crisis is coming. Maybe, But if you want to engage, go ahead and engage. It's a lot of realtors gonna tell you, oh, it's not, cause they trying to sell you a house, man. But look, I mean, come on. You think we gonna push through here? Look at all that. It's some guy, man. I mean, man. We've been capped out for a while. We won't get past what, 162? We can't get past 162. The pound having a problem, man. Let me see who the pound getting whipped to, man. Cause I really want to sell it. I want to really sell the euro. Actually, I want to sell the euro while the euro is strong. Right now, it might be like catching a falling knife. I'm not sure though. Cause it's just, I'm against. It's so much power with the. Hey, whatever. I'm pretty excited though. It's good times. It's a great time to be a trader. It's a great time to be alive, and it's a great time to be aggressive about your dreams right now. Need to be aggressive. Let's all get aggressive about what we want. We can do what we need. We can have what we need. Man, what about what we want? You gotta sacrifice to get what you want. Yeah, look at that. And that's gonna do that so much. It's time to take folks' money. It's time to take rookies' money. It's so many people in this world that just try to do stuff. So, I just know that this a liquidity grab. Let's just see how this thing rock, man. It's 5:30 Eastern time. If you trying to trade off this and you watching this video, man, you watching it too late. You better, use this as a reference. But if you watching this video and it's 10 o'clock Eastern time, past the U.S. Open, I wouldn't. You know what I'm saying? Look at the chart, the most recent, because it's gonna be a bunch of more candles, and who knows what could have been and happened by that time. The time that we are in, we could solve all health problems in the world, or we could bomb each other to death, and I would be wrong. So let's just go off our own discretion. We living in the moment right now. Look, what you want to do here? You want to sell? You want to buy? I'm not getting involved. Don't trade range. It's just a range right here. You can. I'm not just interested. I just see what's going on. I'm not interested in buying it. They talk me out of it. Okay. Just look at the power of the dollar versus the yen again. Supposedly, I'm hearing now that Japan is now thinking about acting upon, like they're saying now their policy is coming into fruition with them being so down, as far as, man, them guys print money so much, so it's just like a complete, the currency always folding. Let me look. 138. Yeah, so 138 yen to a dollar. $1 US, man. We seen some big rejection because at one point it was way higher than that. Well, actually it wasn't just higher than that, but you can't shit. Just continue to look at versus the yen. Man, are you gonna buy the dip or are you gonna sell the tops, man? It's one of the biggest. What you gonna do? And a lot of people hate this. Follows the yield, but a lot of people hate to trade this. I think it's the best time to trade it when US dollar is strong. When we get everything under control and everything. The Asian stocks bounced back today, but let me look at the euro compared to the Australian dollar. I'm so lazy. You guys can read this though. Australian dollar pretty much pounded a little bit, but we're gonna look at, I don't know, we might look at a big slowdown. It's the end of the month. We got the Fed already spoke. A lot of news is, it's not, I don't know, I'm not sure what more we can do. The next time we get on stream, we're gonna look at Forex Factory. We're gonna look and see what news we got coming up, because I'm just gonna show you guys how to look and see. The Swiss franc lost a lot to the euro. I mean, the euro gained a lot of strength today. The pound also, but the pound is nothing. It ain't got nothing on that yen. That's what's so interesting. It's all US dollar weakness today. So, well, during this new session from 9 o'clock Eastern time, but we got range. Wanna look at gold? Let's look at gold. Oh, buy gold. Everybody talking about, buy gold. Gold always go up. Look at gold, man. Gold been falling. I knew guys that were saying, I'd never sell gold. I'll never sell gold. Where you at? Where are the bulls? Where did all the bulls go? Come on, come back. Be like that. Bear candle's gonna be red, and the bull candles are gonna be green. Man, I'm steady trying to let me zoom in here. Trying to fix the color for you guys. Sorry. There we go. There we go. You look at gold, man. Look back. Overall sentiment. Waiting for an update, huh? Four-hour. I hate to say it, day trading. I mean, holding positions for a long time, especially in, I guess, reverse positions. Because if you're trading against the market, say for instance you bought down here. There's a big 4-hour candle here. You bought somewhere in here. You shoot up. You got to get out, man. I mean, look at the daily. You see pressure. You get you a couple pips. Secure profit, man. That thing will get taken away from you. They'll take it. That market will take it from you. Alright? Always secure your profits. I have so many stories I'm gonna share with you guys about Bitcoin and trading, and man, one time I made a mistake and I didn't realize what I was doing, man, and I tried to place a trade. It went over the weekend, but what was it? It was like between 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock when all the sessions are supposed to be closed, and the spread of the trade is like 15 pips or something, man. Man, I had placed that trade like, whoa, down so many dollars on there. Like, man, that's just the dumbest thing. And that added to me being not profitable. It was so long before I could become profitable because of the dumb bonehead things that I would do. The hundreds of dollars I would lose just off of clicking a button at the wrong time. You call it clicking a button, but that's, you know, better respect trade. Them people, don't let them tell you that trade, that Forex fake. Don't let them tell you that. You know, I don't want to do, look at that. Boom. Boom. So we ranging. Hey man, that thing might go back up again. I'm hearing now they talking about the ECB wants to jack up rates. Meaning pressure is going to be on the USD and all other currencies, because we didn't hear that. We hadn't heard that. And if you're hiking rates, man, let's be honest here. Let's be honest here, man. Let's be honest here. If you're hiking rates, you're not going to be, you're going to have to come on up some, dog. You got to come on up some if you hiking rates. This gonna have to come around here somewhere or something. Man, they want some of they print off that money so fast. The Europeans, I mean, they panicking because all this, everything costing and everything. But man, I really would like to talk to someone over there besides. Give me up, alright? Let me know if you use the euro every day. Let me know what really goes on as far as, because we don't see that big of a difference when our currency flip like that, but y'all's done flip big time. Maybe the economy shows us or something. The pressure of buying power. Maybe. Because everything's costing a little bit more. Subway sandwiches so high. I used to be a big fan of Subway sandwiches. They priced me out, man. A lot of places done priced me out. Everybody gotta be, you know, be careful. Look at this. This looks kind of fun there. I like to ride that roller coaster. Six Flags, Atlanta, the Goliath. Drop your ass, drop you down, dog. I'm looking for another one of those drops there. And what was the signal? Look, that's the I don't know, that ain't no perfect. They kind of almost filled. And then that thing shot on up there. You gotta watch this stuff, cuz. Watch it. Because if you don't, you might, man, somebody gonna be watching you. It's always beautiful to watch and just analyze, man. See what happened the past couple hours, the past couple sessions. The euro gained strength. I'ma see what goes on around 8 o'clock. We got a few hours. I'm not gonna come back probably until the close. I'm on what am I on? Facebook, Twitch, and YouTube. So. Just know trading is dangerous. You can lose everything. You can lose it all. Be careful. Trading is super risky. Don't over leverage. Don't risk what you can't give away. If you're gonna trade, if you deposit in your trading account, just count it as gone. That's money that you won't have. So if you got bills, if you got things to handle, don't upload your money to the broker. Don't give your money to your broker. Don't give your money and donate it all to the market. That's not good. Here at headquarters, man, we are against giving away that money for free. We ain't with giveaway. We ain't with it, alright? Now, I'm finna probably play this video game. I'm only gonna be live on Twitch on the game too. Let me see if I got anything I can respond to on YouTube or something. Any charts y'all want me to go over? Any charts? Let me see here. Shouts out to the euro though. Euro strength. Euro power. Shouts out to the euro power, man. What? What I got here, man? That's all I got for you. Yeah, we looking at euro strength for the time being. I feel like it's a setup for the drop, and I bet on that. I'm standing on that for sure. I'm looking at a sale around here. I'm looking at a sale. Feel like we got more room to fall. If we come back and fill that wick, you know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, I'll put a little boom in here. Yeah. Because, yeah, I'm gonna look at the euro. I'm gonna look at the euro, man, and that's. I'm ready to sell on that euro. So they saying, I mean, they pretty much just gave the European telling them, man, they always saying something weird. Now they're telling them, they're telling the companies to cut back on energy, or they may be having to face blackouts. That global warming stuff fake. We ain't been on the earth that many years to know what, man. Alright, keep playing, man. I'm not interested. I'm not interested in finding out if it's fake. Alright, I got a nephew here. I've been placed in the bind. Man, who knows, man? Stop loss gonna be moved to break even pretty soon. Who knows, man? But it's been real, y'all. We've had a great time. I'll be back maybe around the London close. See how things worked out. I'm not looking for continued strength with that euro. I'm not looking for it, but we'll see. Good night, Australia. Where we at in Japan? Good afternoon in Japan. Well, good evening in Japan still, guys. Good afternoon in Europe. I hope you guys are getting ready to enjoy your lunch. And if you're seeing this in the United States, you're a dog, because we up early with it. And it's get money. It's get money gang. We get money. All we do is speak prosperity. We taking the next step always. You rocking with Headquarters Profit. We out of here, man.